Hey guys, today's topic is human health and disease. It's show the diagram when the mosquito bite another human. When scarnozygotic are infected with bite, the mosquito is bite to human hand, and sporozygotic is reach the liver through the blood. It's got a liver to blood. The the pesticides reproduce the asexually liver cells in blushing the cells and relaxing into a blood. And pesticides reproduce asexual in red blood cells, blush to blood cells, and causes symptoms relaxing in pesticide infect new red blood cell and go to the sexual stages. Gemitox developing red blood cell is two category, is one female and second male. In gemitocytes, gemetocytes is female mosquito take up gemetocytes with a blood mean. Fertilization and development take up in the mosquito guts, and a mutation infecting stages of space from guts and a marriage to the mosquito salivary gland. It is a cycle of stage in human cell of प्लाज्मामोडियम. आपको ये समझ में आया नहीं है तो मेरा सेकेंड पार्ट ज़रूर देखिए. एंड लेट्स कंटिन्यू टू एंथामिनियम हिस्टोलाइसिस इज is a protozoa pestis in a large intestine of human which causes a ammonitis embolic dysentery. Symptoms of this disease include constipation, abdominal pain, and chambers stools with the excess of muscles, blood clot, housefly are as mechanical creation to survive to transmit the partition from a faces on infection person of food and food product, thereby a contribution them. Drinking water and food is contaminated by a fecal matter are then main sources of infection. Excretion is the common round worm and Willichan the inflated worm are some of them helminths, which are the known as pathogenic to man. Excretion in an intestine pathogen causes sclerosis. Symptoms of this disease included in interbleeding, muscle pain, fever, anemia, and blood clot of intestine passage. The eggs of a pesticide exhibit along with a facial of infected person within contaminated soil, water, plant, etc. A healthy person is paired with the infected through communicated water, vegetable, fruit, etc. In this figure, diagram showing a inflammable in one of the lowest limbs due to the elephantia. It is a disease to human. Let us to continue with Buccinellia is the flinaris worm causes a slowly developing is chlorine information of the organ in which they live for many years. Usually the lymphatic vessels of a lower lumbar, and the disease is called elephantiasis or filaments. The disease genital organs are also often affected, resulting in growth of deformation. The pathogens are transmitted to the healthy person together to the bite by the female mosquito vector. Many fungus belonging to a genital is Microsporium terrespyton and Indipedal micron are responsible from ringworm, which is one of the most common infection disease in man. Many fungus belonging to a general Microsporium to Terramicroton and endocrine are responsible from roundworms, which is one of the most common infection disease in man. Appear of dry scales layering on various parts of the body, skin, nails and sharps are the main symptoms of the disease. These listening and accompanied by a intestinal itching, heat and moisture help mosquitoes in these fungal to grow, which make them thrive in skin folds such as those joining in between the toes. Ringworm are generally acquired from soil or by using towel, cloth, or even combo in an infection of individual. 1 minute, guys. Maintaining of a personal and a public hygiene in is very important for prevention and control many infection disease. Measure of a personal hygiene include keeping in body clean, contribution of a clean drinking water, food, vegetables, fruits, etc. Public hygiene include in people disposal of water and extra periodic cleaning and disinfection of water resources, pools, classic pool tanks, and observes to standard in practice of hygiene in public gardening. There the major particularly essential where will infection agent are transmitted through a food and water such as typhoid, abonocins and asconocins. In cases of airborne disease such as ammonia and common cold, in addition to the above, the measure is close contact with infectious people or their belonging to should be avoided. From the disease such as malaria and flemonensis that is transmitted together insect vector, the mosquito important measure is to control or eliminate the vector and their breeding place. This can be achieved by avoiding stages of water in around residential area, regulator of cleaning household cooler, use of mosquito net, including in fisher like glambosins in a plant, in the feed on a mosquito larva, sparing of intercepted in damaged draining areas and sweepers, etc. In additional, door and window should be provided with wire mesh to prevent entry of mosquitoes. Such a precaution has been more important to especially in a light in widespread in incidents of vector-borne in Aedes mosquitoes disease like dengue and chikungunya is may part of India. The advertisement made in biological science have armored used to effectively deals with many infectious diseases. The use of a vaccination and immunization program has been able us to completely a deadly disease like smallpox, a large number of other infection disease like polio, diphtheria, ammonia, and tetanus has been controlled to larger extent by using of a vaccine. Biotechnology, about which you will read more chapter in class 12. Chapter 12 is at the very is as a way of making available newer and a safer vaccination. Diversity of antibiotics and various other drugs has also balance us to effective more trends infectious disease. Thank you for watching this video.